In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make Unsloppy Sloppy Joe. Hello YouTube, welcome back to Cooking with Sugar. The ingredients I will be using: ground beef, biscuits, Sloppy Joe sauce, shredded cheese, minced onions, seasoning salt, and some Colby Jack cheese. Okay, I'm going to add some seasoning to my pan. Then I'm going to add in the ground beef. Just dump it in there like this. Okay. Going to add a little seasoning on top, just a little on top. And some minced onions. I like a lot of onions. Okay. And if you don't have to add the onions. And then we're just going to break this meat up like this. Okay, now that our meat is done, and I drained some of the fat off of it. I didn't have that much, but you know, what I did have, I drained it off, okay? Now we're going to add our sauce, and this does say Sloppy Joe sauce, so y'all don't be coming from me, okay? Alright. Now we're going to mix this in. Like this. And we're just going to let this simmer for about 5 minutes. Then we're going to turn it off, and we're going to let it cool for about 10 minutes. Okay? Okay, now that our mixture have cooled, it's time to put them together. Okay, we're just going to take them, and we're going to try to stretch the biscuits like this. Y'all, this would be a great idea for game days. You know, it's a family of 6 and nobody likes the same tea. So, game days are pretty interesting in our house. Okay. You're going to take some of the filling like that. Add you some cheese. And you just want to fold it over. Just stretch it if you can. Now you're going to have some oozing out. And you're going to take a fork. And you're just going to seal the ends together. Like this. And then place them on your baking sheet. Well, I like to bake mine on 300 to 45 degrees for about 15 minutes. Show you another one. Like that. Okay, when they're lightly brown, I'm going to take them out, sprinkle that Colby Jack cheese on top, and place them back in there to the, to the cheese melt. Okay? Okay, this is what they look like. Let's cut it open and see. So y'all can see the inside. Delicious. Okay? I appreciate y'all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.